In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text over image in Webflow. So the first thing you want to do, you want to put in a div block. So search for a div block, click on div block over here, and then inside that div block, you want to add in first an image. There we go, so an image element, and then you will also need a text block, okay? Now, there we go, we have all this set, and then the first thing I'm going to do over here, I'm going to just basically replace this image with a random image over here, there we go. And then what you should do is you should first select your div block over here, and then you want to go to Style, you want to scroll down, and then where it says position, you want to make this relative, okay? So make the position of the div block relative, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your text block over here and make the position of this one absolute. Now, once you've done this, go back to your div block, and then you will have to go over here to where it says layout, the top, and then where it says display, make sure you select flex. Now, once you have your flex selected, you can just click on, for example, over here in the middle, and as you can see, your text will just pop up over here in the middle of your image, and you now can do whatever you want with this text. You can just change it, or of course, basically alter it the way you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.